Hey everyone, welcome to part 4 of our crypto tracker app series built with React. In this video, we are adding the ability to save your favorite coins using local storage. So your selection stick even after refreshing the page. We will also clean up the code a bit, refactor the logic, and make the UI more maintainable. Let's get into it. What we'll do in this video, store selected coins favorites in local storage, create a toggle favorite button with a star icon, display the separate favorite list, and refactor the fetching logic and structure, create some custom hooks, etc. So let's use it. Let's create our favorites. Yeah. um we need open our crypto table. Yeah, I think here. So let's create hook. I think it's more comfortable. Yeah, use favorites, favorites dot javascript. It's not j6, it's const use favorites return, but we need to return some object because it's hook. Default use favorites. Yeah, let's create functionality. Yeah, const favorite and set favorites. It's our default use state. Yeah, with empty array as default. Yeah. Next step, let's try to get some data from our local storage. Yeah, when we use this hook, use effect const stored items. By default, we have access to local storage. Yeah, in React, get item file favorites. Yeah, and if we have stored items, let's set favorites. Yeah, stored items, but we save data in local storage just in a string. So here we can use JSON parse stored items. Yeah. And other functionality, let's save new items to our local storage. Yeah, so local storage set items, the first argument it's name. Yeah, the same name, and the second is value JSON stringify. Yeah, where we can try get this data, we use JSON parse because stored items initially it's string, and when we want to use it, we convert it to object or array or some other data. But in other case, when we wanna save it, we just use a string. Yeah, so JSON stringify favorites, and don't forget put it to favorites, because if we change favorites array, we should trigger use effect callback and save this data to local storage. And let's just create a function toggle favorites. Okay, here ID and set favorites previous. Yeah, if let's check if previous dot includes ID. Yeah, includes because it's string and we can use it. Yeah, we can return previous state filter favorite, where favorite ID not equal our ID. Not a favorite ID, we just save ID in this array. Yeah, and in other case, just add ref and add our ID. Yeah, it's all logic of our hook. Yeah, and here we can return the first it's favorites and the second it's function for toggle these favorites. Yeah, main logic save here, save and hook, and when we try to use it we just use these two functions. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's close it. Create the table. Yeah, I think it's a good place where we can use it. Yeah, const favorites. We can just use favorites. Yeah, and here just let's copy it, favorites, and use favorites. Maybe no. Why we have some problems here. Okay, let's try to use it and then have something. Let's display it where we can display it. Yeah, under our, yeah, I think under our here. Let's create a div. H2 your favorites, and what we can do here, let's copy some styles like it, but yeah, but it's enough. Let's check favorites now, and if we have favorites, let's return some list, I think. Yeah, we can use the same, I think, because it's React, we can reuse some components. Yeah, but not coins. Yeah, we can use coins dot filter item, where favorites includes item ID. Yeah, so let's update it. Now we have some problem. Why? Let's check console. What we missed? Cannot read properties of null, use state, in use favorite. Maybe we forget import something. Yeah, use state, favorites, set favorites, ID. No, it should work incorrectly. What with this application? Invalid hook call. inside of the body. Oh my god, where we can call it? Ah, yeah. Your favorites. Yeah. Crypto tracker. Let's use margin top 2. Okay. How we can use toggle favorites? Move it here. Let's add one more div. Yeah. On click toggle favorite, but it should be callback because we need to use coin.id. Yeah. Okay, let's use not just toggle favorite, let's use favorite here. Yeah, because we need detect if it's favorite. Yeah, so const is favorite favorite equal favorites. Yeah, if favorites dot include coin ID, yeah, it's favorite. In other case, it's not favorite. Yeah, class name cursor pointer, and let's use yeah, it's good icon, I think. Wait, bold, but we need use is favorite. I think bold. Not bold. Fill, as I remember, yeah. Fill. And let's change the color to this. Toggle favorite, yeah, okay, good. So but we use this in one more place, I think. Yeah, let's crypto table, yeah, in this component too, and favorites. So let's check. As I know, failed to fetch data. Too much renders. Oh my god. Okay, let's little bit wait and maybe use our format. Yeah, npm run format to prettify our application. Oh yeah, currently it's working. So let's try to click. No, one more point. We just need move this function to maybe this, yeah, where we have Yeah. Hop. But let's play with styles, I think. Calls for, yeah, and where we have table, I think also calls for, yeah. Let's add favorite, yeah. Very beautiful. Here we can see my favorite items, yeah. Here other items. So if we click this item, it's moves to, yeah, it's working correctly as I know, as I understand, and we can delete it from favorite list or add, yeah. If I click, for example, Bitcoin, yeah, here we can see Bitcoin. And why we use local storage, not state? Because if we use state, yeah, this hook initialized when application is running one more time, yeah. You rebuild your application, your DOM, and your state will be clear, will be with our initial state, yeah, with empty array for this in this case. But local storage save your data, and if you update the page, local storage, yeah, here we can see favorites and list of ID, yeah. Let's check how it works, yeah. And also we can edit. Let's refresh the page. Still updated, yeah. I think it's a bug. Let's use it. I think because in the first render, I think if we, let's add 3 item, let's comment this code and try to refresh the page, yeah. It's still here, yeah, it's correct behavior. So we just need a little bit modify this function. So guys, yeah, as I said, it's a bug. Why we have clear storage, yeah, when we try to load our application? Because in this case, yeah, in first render we have just empty array, yeah, and we don't, this use effect don't wait this use effect, yeah. So what is our solution in this case? I think we should move this logic to initial state, yeah. Let's add callback here. Try to get data from local storage and returns if storage item we use JSON parse. In other case, this, yeah. So let's check, yeah. Now we refresh the page and still have items here, yeah. It's working correctly for us now, so very good. And let's little bit refactor our application, I think. Yeah, we have a lot of items. I think crypto item, it's good. Crypto model, what we can do here? I think we can create separate folder for it, crypto model, yeah. move it to our folder and create custom hook. Use crypto model dot JavaScript. Yeah, const use crypto model. As we know in previous video, we just need return some values from our custom hook. Yeah, let's move this functionality to model, but we need here coin ID and is opened. Yeah, const, yeah, use crypto model and is opened, I'm sorry, coin ID and is opened. Yeah, and what we need here, loading series, and as I know, that's all. Yeah, yeah, something like this. Let's check. No, it's not working. We missed something. Let's recheck our components. Loading series, coin ID is opened, is opened, is opened. Why we don't have data here? Yeah. I'm sorry, we move it to this. Yeah. We move our on click just for coin name. Yeah. So yeah, it's working now. I think crypto model is good component. We can move to other component, just chart logic, yeah, but this component small and I think it's enough. Crypto item is also good. What we have, crypto search. Crypto search, it's have just layout without logic. It's, I think, also good component. Crypto table too, yeah, just some divs and that's all. It's good. And pagination also good. Crypto tracker, yeah. We have a lot of logic, so let's create separate file for it. Use crypto tracker JavaScript, yeah. Const use crypto tracker, return object, yeah. Export default use crypto tracker. Yeah, here we have lot of some logic and good practice move it to custom hook. Yeah, it's just my opinion because we use it in my previous projects, but it's really good practice do something like this. Yeah, so and let's move coins favorites. We have favorites here. I think this also we need, yeah. Loading, let's check. Const something, use crypto tracker, yeah. Also paginated, yeah. Paginated total pages, I think. What else? Loading, error, toggle favorites, loading, error, yeah, let's move. And next and last, I think it's page. Good practice in our case, move page to constants, but we can leave it here. Yeah, so let's check our functionality. Sorting work, Bitcoin search work, pagination work, model, yeah, still working. So I think that's all. We built our big, I think, application. Yeah. um, and it's very good. Yeah, it's a really good practice. Maybe some cases you will use in real your projects and your work. Yeah, but it's just some. Yeah, but it's just some patterns of your code. Yeah. um let's use format to format our application finally. Yeah, it's just some patterns of search, of saving some data in local storage. Now we can know that for getting data we need to use JSON parse, for setting data we need use JSON stringify. Yeah, for sorting what we need to do, it's our first pagination. Yeah, we created first model, use Apex chart for creating some visualization of prices. Yeah, it's a really good, I think, based application. So now our app feels more personal. Your favorite coins are stored even after you leave the page. Yeah, we are also refactor the code to make it clean and more scrollable. um so I need it all. It's last video of this um, small series of the videos, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment. Maybe you have some questions. Maybe you need some help. I'll be happy to discuss this application with you in comments. So, bye bye.